Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading Cancers for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies Cancers. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading Cancers. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first. We have Sun, Lady, and Stars. So, in your circumstances, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you have great aspirations, goals, plans for your future. You are focused, you are working towards those dreams and plans today, and you have a lot of talents and skills, and you are a very dedicated person. So whatever decisions you make, you stand by those decisions, you go the distance, you have grit and perseverance. So you are someone who is very much dedicated to whatever you do, and that is the reason you are seeing success in your career situation. And it may be true about this relationship too, Cancers. So with this person you love, you want a beautiful relationship, a balanced relationship, and you are working towards a better understanding between you both. You know each other, you have plans for your future, or it may be your person's energy, they may have a lot of plans for the future. So you are working towards those dreams and goals. And maybe for some of you, you want marriage or you want commitment, but this person is not yet ready. They have some thoughts, they are thinking. They love you, they respect you, they understand you. You may have mutual love, respect, and caring, but this person is not ready to accept your proposal for some reason. Maybe because they have plans, or they are having some goals they need to achieve before moving in with commitment, moving in to a greater responsibility. So they are thinking and deciding. Maybe they want to see success in their career first before taking the next step in this relationship. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Lilies. This is a very beautiful card for your connection, guys. It just means that this may be a soulmate connection you have with this person. That may be the reason for this level or this depth of that bond we see in your love, Cancer. You both have a beautiful understanding with each other. You both know each other, and maybe even at the first time you met this person, you would have had that sense of familiarity. You would have felt that you have known them before. You have known this person before. So some kind of a deep bond is there between you both. And with this card, with these cards, these are all very positive cards here for you all today, Cancer. something good, something very positive is happening in your life. Things are happening just as they should. And I see happiness, success, and prosperity, abundance, blessings in your life today, Cancers. Such a beautiful, positive set of cards here for you all. So, for your career, we have Ship. So, in your work circumstances, you must think in a different way, think out of the box, handle your situation in a different way. That is going to make you very successful today. So that is the energy here with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, it says Bluebeard, Taboos. So in your circumstances today, you may be really close to someone. It may be the person you love, or it may be a friend of yours. But this person has a lot of secrets, and maybe you are curious to know more about this person. You want to find out more information about them because you feel that they are not telling you the truth or they are not being honest with you. But the truth they are hiding may be dangerous to you, may be dangerous to this relationship you have with them. But you need to be curious. You need to find out about them because this relationship, if it holds a lot of secrets, these are not good secrets, and you cannot forgive this person for whatever they are holding from you. So there are certain things that are happening in this relationship between you both. There are a lot of difficulties, a lot of emotions or feelings you are hiding or this person is hiding from you. And it may be quite dangerous for them to reveal the truth because they are afraid that they may lose you. But you should be close to this person only if you have a complete understanding. If you do not have a complete understanding about them, you should take a step back and you must listen to people who are close to you, your friends or family members whom you trust and whom you know for sure are really concerned about your welfare. So you must trust to their ideas and suggestions. Maybe they will be able to see things that you are not able to see clearly about this person, about this love. So you must respect their suggestions, listen to it. That is going to help you today. So that is the energy here with this card. And whatever secrets are being hidden from you, today all those secrets are coming out for sure, and you will know the truth today in this relationship. So that is the energy here with this card for you all. So let us see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we have come to the edge. So with this card, the energy for you all is that this may be the time for you to take a risk, It may be for something beautiful. Maybe when you are having some inhibition to be close to someone, when you are holding something, holding your emotions or feelings not to be revealed, and you don't want to be really intimate with anyone because you are afraid that they will know your true heart. But taking that risk is going to help you only when you build a relationship on truth. It is going to last forever. So it is necessary, it's important to speak up, to tell this other person what you need to tell them. Tell about yourself. Tell about what your hopes are and what your dreams are. And this is not the time to play it safe. This may be the time to take the leap of faith. And you will be glad that you did it, because if you are seeking a truthful relationship, that is the first step. So, letting this other person see your true self, your true nature, your true emotions, that is going to help you, and that is going to work in a magical way. By taking this risk, you are building a beautiful relationship based on trust and honesty. So you must take heart and take that leap of faith. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.